Hi everyone! Today, I want to talk something about nga dili kayo ginaistoryahan. Something that many people go through silently. Number 1, stress, depression, and suicidal thoughts. Maybe ikaw naka-feel ani. Ako, siya, daghanta. Maybe naka-friend nga naga-struggle. And if you're wishing this, I just want you to know, wala ka nahiusa. Daghan sa ato, nag-atubang sa mga problema nga dili nato ma-explain. Sometimes, behind a smile, na ay sakit. Behind strong words, na ay kahadlok. And behind silence, na ay dako kaayo nga struggle. Usahay, makahuna-huna ta. Kapoy na, dili na ko kabalo unsay buhato. Or, walay nakasabot na ko. Depression is not simply sadness. Stress is not simply being tired. And suicidal thoughts are not just for attention. Kasagaran, mao ni ang sign nga sobra na kaayo kabugat ang kinabuhi. But please, reminder, feeling this way doesn't make you feel weak. It means nga na overwhelmed ka and you deserve help. It's okay nga ma-feel nimo nga lisod ang tanan. It's okay nga mura ka gulay kusog. It's okay nga muhila ka bisan late sa gabi. These feelings are human. Dili ka abnormal. Dili ka sakit sa ulo. You are simply someone nga naningkamot nga makabuhi sa kalibutan nga puno sa pressure. But what can you do if you feel this way? First, reach out. Lisod ni siya, pero importante. You don't need a perfect speech. You can simply say, "Lagi, kapoy kaayo ko lately." Or, pwede ko nimo paminawon? Sometimes, one honest sentence can save a life, including your own. Second, take things slowly. Dili nimo kailangan solbahon tanan problema karon dayon. Usa-usa lang. Stand up when you can, rest when you need to. Third, take care of yourself even in small ways. Tulog sakto, kaon bisan walay gana, walk outside, limit social media kung makatrigger. Small steps are still progress. And fourth, ask for help from professionals if kaya nimo. Therapists, counselors, teachers, or hotline support. Dili ni para sa mga crazy people as others say. This is for people who are hurting and want to feel better. If naa kay friend nga murag na ay ginadala something in their mind, please be gentle. Bisan dili ka expert, you can make a difference. A simple tactics like, "Hoy, kumusta na ka? Nakapahulay na ka?" Or, "Naara ko diri ha, if kailangan nimo mag-istorya." Can already lighten their heart. Ayaw sila ingnaog, "Ay, drama ra na." Instead say, "I might not understand everything, pero na ako para nimo." Kindness is free, and sometimes, kindness can save life. If you're listening to this right now, and you feel broken, lost, or tired, please hear me. Dili matapos diri ang storya. Yes, life gets heavy. Yes, naay panahon nga murag hopeless kaayo. Pero ang imong present sa kalibutan, importante. Bisag dili nimo makita ron, ang imong life na ay meaning. You are not burden. You are not a mistake. You deserve to heal. You deserve peace. And you deserve to stay. Remember this. You matter. Your life matters. And even if today feels dark, there still be light tomorrow. Hold on. Reach out. And know that you are loved more than you think. Dili ka nag-inusara. Naitawo para nimo. Ug naay ugma na naghulat sa imo. Lawan lang.